Hepatitis Panel. Hepatitis Panel is a group of blood tests often performed together to help detecting an infection with a hepatitis virus. Some of the tests detect antibodies produced by the immune system in response to the infection, and one detects proteins, antigens, that indicate the presence of the virus. These tests are ordered when you have symptoms of acute hepatitis and a viral infection is suspected to be the cause. When you have been exposed to one or more of the three most common hepatitis viruses, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, or hepatitis C. The sample required is a blood sample drawn from a vein in your arm. Hepatitis A virus is highly contagious and is usually contracted by ingesting food or water contaminated with the virus, or by coming in contact with an infected person. While hepatitis A infections are usually mild and does not cause a chronic infection, the virus can, on rare occasions, cause a severe acute disease. Hepatitis B virus is the most common cause of acute viral hepatitis. It is spread through contact with blood or other body fluids from an infected person. Exposure can occur, for example, through sharing of needles for intravenous drug use or through unprotected sex. The virus, however, is not spreading through food or water, casual contact such as holding hands, or coughing or sneezing. Hepatitis C virus is also spread by exposure to contaminated blood, primarily through the sharing of needles by intravenous drug users, but also by sharing personal items contaminated by blood, such as razors, through sex with an infected person, via healthcare occupational exposure, and from mother to baby during childbirth. Currently, there are vaccines available against hepatitis A and B, while there is no vaccine to prevent infection with hepatitis C. The tests that are typically included in a hepatitis panel may not always be able to tell whether someone has had a previous hepatitis infection or has developed antibodies in response to a vaccine. Usually other types of tests are performed to provide this type of information. Borg Medical Laboratories. Watch more at our YouTube channel.